Friends, hello everyone. It's a pleasure to welcome you to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can enable advanced safe browsing in Google app. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes and write comments at the end of the video. And let's get into this topic. And I'll tell you right away, the Safe Browsing extension is a very cool feature that helps you secure Google and Google Chrome from some external bad sites. Also secure your ID. I recommend enabling safe browsing. How to do this? For this, you will need to open any web browser and go to Google. After that, in the top right corner, click on your Google profile picture. After which, manage your account. Next, at the top you'll find a menu like this. Swipe it to the side and go to Security. Now swipe it down a little bit and find a feature like this. Click on it. And as you can see, at this point, Advanced Safe Browsing is disabled. In order to activate it, you just need to turn this feature on. And as you can see, in literally 1 second, it's already active. And your Google or Google Chrome account is already much safer, because now Google will check all the sites you will go to and will warn you about the danger. Friends, this is the simple way you can enable advanced safe browsing in Google. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please put your likes, subscribe to the channel, and also write your comments. And see you soon.